We all like external validation, but are we dependent on it? It's really the question. Okay? Because some people just give us external validation and they don't even really mean it. Right? Okay. So, am I dependent on this person thinking, approving of me? This goes on in dating all the time. It's like suddenly someone's good looking or rich, we're like, oh, I hope their opinion of me is very valuable to me. And I'm crushed because they didn't like me. Instead of, I can care less what anyone thinks. I like external validation, but I don't always trust it. It's not always coming with a great motive. Often coming with a manipulative motive. So it's not that we don't like it and appreciate it and do it. Social conversation is a lot made up of validating other people. It's nice. But on the inside, are we dependent on it? And does my self-esteem fluctuate in response or lack of it? Just a chance for noticing how we give our power away to other people. This is a little advanced for Tantric Dating, but it's a way to stay in our third chakra, which is the power chakra, which is like, I don't have to shrink if you don't like me. I don't have to shrink if you're not validating me. I can stay in my own seat and just be myself. And if you don't like me, I'd prefer that you did, but I'm not going to like myself less. Okay. So of course we're human beings. We prefer that people like us, but certain people aren't going to like us, and who knows why. We have blue eyes, or we don't have blue eyes, whatever their reason is. And do I shrink because of that? Do I still love myself?